Hey y'all, Dennis's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're gonna make some over-the-top chili because it's getting cold down here. And we're gonna do it on the Weber Kettle grill. It's a really simple recipe and it gives us some really good smoke flavor in our chili. So let's get to it. This video today is sponsored by Thermopro. So y'all check out their stuff. All right, we got some new tools from Thermopro. We've got the TP49W, which is an indoor, where you can see it, is an indoor temperature and humidity monitor. And that's the current reading. Hopefully you saw that. We also have the TP622 Lightning. This is the 1 second instant read. Let's take a look at that real quick. This has a 10-year warranty. So we've got our Lightning owner's manual, and it comes with a little screwdriver, a battery, and the Lightning. All of Thermopro's stuff that I've gotten and used come really well packaged. So this is the Lightning. We will be using this in the cook today. And then last but definitely not least is the TP25W, which gives you 4 temperature probes, and it's Bluetooth connected to your phone, so you can monitor 4 different cooks at the same time. And just like the temp spike 2, this gives you estimated time till completion, ambient temperature, temperature of your meat. We'll be doing a review on this one soon because I'm looking forward to this one. So let's get back to cooking. Okay, so I've got 1 pound of 75/25 ground beef. Dump that in the bowl. Then I've got 1 pound of hot pork Italian sausage. So we're going to be making chili. We might as well put some extra spicy to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take and get all this meat mixed together. I'm using Grill Mates Montreal steak seasoning today. I'm just going to put some of that on there, maybe a teaspoon. Then we're going to put about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Come on, cayenne pepper. I don't want to do more than that. Okay, so that's probably about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then we're going to sprinkle it up with some Worcestershire sauce. Say not a lot. All right, now we're going to mix all that together. And that's what we want to end up with. One big giant hamburger patty that we're going to put over our cast iron. And I'll just leave that in that bowl for right now. Okay, so that's our meat. Now let's get the rest of the chili ready to go. Okay, so we're going to slice up one large bell pepper and 2 jalapeno peppers. And that's going to go in our stock. Let's get these chopped up. Okay, so I got my cast iron pot here in the sink. I've got my chopped up bell peppers and my chopped up jalapeno peppers. Let's get them into the cast iron Dutch oven. All right, now I'm going to add 2 10-ounce cans of rotelle diced tomatoes and green chilies. And 1 can of crushed tomatoes. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Have 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, which is the equivalent of 6 cloves. I Googled that one, you can check me on it. And then 2 tablespoons of cumin. And 1 large chopped onion. Okay, I'm going to stir this all around, get it mixed up good. All right, now let's get the fire going. All right, so we got our coals good and hot. I got some applewood chunk in here, and I'm going to put half my coals on this side and half my coals on this side. All right, let's level the coals out a little bit. I don't really want any directly up under my cast iron. It's okay to have some over here, just random ones like that. All right, so now we're going to put our grate on. Then we get our cast iron Dutch oven. This is where we're going to put some smoke into the actual chili. We'll put our grate on the top. Remember, we made our big giant hamburger patty. I want to get it flattened out best I can, because the thinner it is, the faster it's going to cook. So I got that right over the middle. Well, we got our ThermoPro Temp Spike 2 that we're going to use, and I'm going to run that in there like that, and that's going to give me the temperature above the cast iron and temperature of the meat. At 150 we're going to pull it, but for right now, let's see, I think we'll move this smoke around a little bit, so I'll just be moving the vent. We're going to run the grill at 275, and when we hit 150 on the meat, we'll crumble the meat into the chili pot, and by then everything will have had enough smoke. Then we're going to cover the pot and we're going to let it simmer. See y'all in a bit. All right, after an hour and a half, we have reached 150 degrees. So I'm going to take my temp spike out. I've got high temperature gloves on, so I'm not going to hurt myself. All right, now we're going to take the hamburger meat and just bust it up into the chili. That seasoning worked out really good on the ground meat. Okay, so now we want to just stir this around a little bit. Get the meat mixed in with everything else. check one of them onions. See how that is. And we got some more cooking to do. Okay, so that's all stirred up good. Let's put our lid on. Let it cook. Okay, we're 4.5 hours in. Let's see where we are. Take my lid off. I'm gonna use my ThermoPro Lightning. Oh, yeah, we're still holding at 190 degrees on the chili. So let's stir it up and get us a taste. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right, so we're good there. All right. Well, this is gonna be hot. Okay, time to pull this chili and take it inside. All right, y'all, that does it for this video. Let's see how this chili came out. I got some good smoked flavor. Flavor of the meat is good. That's some good old chili right there. Over the top chili. We used our ThermoPro Temp Spike 2. We used to let us know about the meat. We used our Lightning to let us know what the temperature was of the chili. Now, Christmas is coming, so y'all think about these coupon codes, because I'm gonna put a link down in the description, and you can go to the ThermoPro website using that link and use coupon code ThermoPro20 to save 20% off anything you buy with a $30 minimum, and use coupon code DBB15 and you'll save 15% off anything. That's some good chili. It took me right at about 4.5 hours, 4 hours, 45 minutes. Not bad at all. Anyway, until next time I see y'all at the grill, y'all keep on grilling.